Okay, this question is really interesting. It says x raised to the power of ln x raised to the power of log x base 2. The x here carries log x base 2. That means that we can actually take log x base 2 to the back to multiply them both. So we get x raised to the power of log x base 2 times ln x equals to 8. So from here, we can actually get rid of this power from the left hand side. So by multiplying both sides by 1 over ln x, we have x to the power of log x base 2 equals 8 to the power of 1 over ln x. You should know that ln x is same thing as log x base e. Log x base e. So if 1 over ln x is here, you can actually write that as the reverse of it, which is log e base x. We already know ln x is log x base e. And according to logarithm, it says 1 all over log b base a is equals to log a base b. So we change them because of it is 1 over log b base a. So the same thing applies to here. So we have x to the power of log x base 2 equals 8 raised to the power log e base x. Now notice this is same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 is same thing as 8. So we can actually say x is equals to x raised to the power of log x base 2 equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 log e base x. Now, by adding log to the base 2 to both sides like this, log base 2x raised to the power of log x base 2 equals log base 2 raised to the power of 3 log e base x. This is allowed because it can as well cancel out. So now that you have log 2 base 2, you can also cancel this out. So you'll be left with 3 log e base x. And for this, by multiplying this at the back, you have log x base 2 log x base 2. So that is already squared. But I can as well still say log x base 2 times log x base 2 equals 3 log e base x. What is 3 log e base x? Now we can also divide both sides by log e base x. So we have log x base 2 times log x base 2 all over log e base x equals to 3. So now you should notice something here. We are getting what we got here from the first place. So 1 over log e base x can as well be written as ln x because the e is going to the base. So it can be written as ln x. So we say ln x times log x base 2 times log x. But we can make log x base 2 equal to some constant. So we say let log x base 2 equals to y. That simply means that therefore 2 raised to the power of y is equals to x. I only find x to put x into this place, and this is y. This is y now. So you see from there, you see log ln. You already know x is 2 raised to the power of y, so you put ln 2 raised to the power of y, 2 to y times y times y equals 3. This can go to the back. You see y times ln 2. Remember, this is times y squared equals to 3. These times can as well times this here. You see y cubed times ln 2 equals 3. So y cubed equals 3 over ln 2. So now y equals cube root of 3 over ln 2, right? So now you know from here that y is log x base 2. So you say log x base 2 equals cube root of 3 over ln 2. So x equals 2 raised to the power of cube root of 3 over ln 2. So this is the simple value of x. If you should put into this equation, I guess you must have 8. If you say 2 raised to the power of cube root of 3 over ln 2 is x here, and x here, you definitely have 8. So thank you for watching this video.